All right, look. I'll need you to stand up and put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Okay, you're being under arrest for trespassing. All
I'm
right?
trespassing.
Because they asked you to leave and multiple times, and you said no, and then you yelled back at them. All right?
I ain't got to go to jail for that. How am I trespassing?
Look, I'm not going to ask you again.
How am I trespassing? You cannot lock me up for being in no public library. What is the matter with you? You can't lock me up for being in no public library. What is wrong with you?
Exactly what you're doing.
But what did I do?
Stop.
Just let go of the bag. Just let go of the bag. We can do this the easy way or the hard way, all right? Go of the bag.
Let my arms go. I ain't did nothing.
You just said you were under arrest, but doesn't mean you
For
got fired
what?
for trespass.
How am I trespassing in this the public library?
It's going to be disorderly conduct next to you keep screaming. There's no reason to
But
yell.
what the hell is it?
What do you mean, what is it?
I don't understand. What the hell is it?
What is what?
How am I trespassing in a public library?
You can still be trespassed. If you're disruptive, you see everybody in here, you know a library means quiet, right? If you're yelling and screaming like this, they don't want you here.
Because you just told me to put my stuff down and put my arm behind my back.
All right, we're done talking.
A public library may be open to everyone, but that does not mean every visitor has an unlimited right to remain inside under all circumstances. Library staff can generally enforce reasonable rules involving noise, disruption, threats, or interference with other patrons. And once an authorized employee clearly tells someone to leave, refusing that instruction may turn an ordinary disagreement into a potential trespassing case. But there is an important question the footage does not fully answer. What happened before the officers arrived? We hear the police say she had already been asked to leave multiple times, yet we do not see those earlier warnings or the conduct that allegedly caused them. Her shouting after the arrest begins may explain why the encounter escalated, but it does not automatically prove what happened beforehand. That missing context matters. The legality of the arrest may depend less on the fact that this was a public library and more on whether a valid removal order had already been clearly communicated and deliberately ignored.
Right, because you don't know how to talk and deal with people and you wonder why they get loud with
You
you.
don't know how to understand.
He never...
We'll grab your
Okay,
stuff.
I'm let go.
Stop. Moving your arm. We're going to go out to the car. We'll come
Oh,
back.
that's mine.
We'll get
No,
your
you can get my
stuff.
things down.
Let's-
Screw you guys. I'm in
Let's go. Look, we're going to go or you're going to get more
I'm in
charges.
cuffs.
So let's walk then.
You silly, scary. Sick ass man playing with. I'm grown as wrong with you? Hell yeah. Should have stabbed you more than the needle. Why these scary ass treat you goofy ass? Second acting like you gonna get my body in power. Put your hands on an innocent mother. Get y'all scary ass out.
Just walk.
Man, shut your dead ass up. Got on the mother uniform, you little bitty ass.
Yep, you're the
Say
one.
about putting you put it in somebody's face.
You're the one
Sick
that
ass
handcuffed.
mother. You don't get a mother.
You got anything illegal on you, shooting up?
No, we waiting on the paddy wagon.
Yeah. No, paddy wagon's going off.
Dead ass. Make it harder than the mother criminals. Call yourself cops. Set your mother. Sorry ass people.
All right.
That's some loud silence you got there.
You mother. Hey,
You got any needles, anything on that?
bitch, I look like I do drugs. What I'm doing with needles?
Just asking.
What's wrong with you? Dead ass shaking louder than me. Come to mother should be scared. Silly ass mother put tattoos all over their body like it's gonna make them tough. Right, now he wanna be a big man. Silly ass, now they wanna be big man.
You couldn't cooperate.
I'm in cuffs. Listen, you see tobacco up there?
Just saying.
You see tobacco up there, you goofy ass? Huh?
Spread your legs out a little farther.
What's wrong with y'all? My legs is spread.
You mental health thing?
Yeah, what your nigga got? Now they trying to act like they can't see, but you always put it in my face like it's something to laugh about.
All right, let's just get over this. So.
We know she
I'm
good.
taking this opportunity to teach my recruiter a little something. Here, you stay right there if you would. All right, when I'm controlling somebody, keeping a good grip here, I'm going to keep contact with the back of her shin the whole time. I'm coming down here.
He just searched me. You did a good job, because this a mother here He just said I'm good. He just said I'm good. He just said I ain't had shit. He just said I'm good.
Okay.
I don't give a what y'all give me.
So if
I ain't gonna kiss her ass
kind of
either.
like she is now,
Ain't say nothing to that little dirty ass.
right
Dirty ass uniforms. Teachers, don't you ever follow that been searched already with his silly ass.
At this point, the encounter raises a different issue. How much searching was actually necessary after she had already been handcuffed? Officers are normally allowed to check an arrested person for weapons, dangerous objects, or evidence that could be destroyed. That is an important safety procedure, especially before placing someone inside a police vehicle. However, the footage appears to show a second officer using the moment to demonstrate a search technique to a recruit, while the woman repeatedly insists that she has already been searched. That does not automatically make the second search unlawful. The first search may have been incomplete, and the supervising officer may have had legitimate safety reasons for repeating it. Still, police training should never make a detainee appear to be a convenient practice object. Even during a lawful arrest, officers are expected to use only the level of intrusion reasonably connected to safety and custody. The critical question is not simply whether another search occurred, but whether it served a real operational purpose or unnecessarily prolonged an already volatile confrontation.
Now, here you motherfuckers got fired. Y'all talking about? And you motherfuckers got fired. Y'all don't want the job. Ain't do shit to y'all or that fire.
Animal and woman goes.
Boy, they curse that sick ass out. Last time you dirty ass motherfucker to go in the ring with the black team. You coward ass.
All right, what's your name?
Half y'all dead.
What's your name?
I ain't did nothing. You can't arrest me for nothing. I ain't did shit that right
Okay,
there.
what's your name?
I refuse to speak.
Well, I'm conducting an investigation.
What the you conduct?
Okay, well, you'll get more charges if you don't give me your
I don't
name.
see how I got no charges now.
Because it's against the law, so just provide me
I
your
don't see how I
name.
got no charges now.
Just give me your name, and we can move on.
Ain't no move on. You ain't had no right to put me in cuffs.
Okay.
The way
So are you gonna
leave me alone. I tell a judge when I go face the judge, you got me in cuffs, don't you?
give
You
me?
got me in cuffs, don't you? There ain't nothing else to talk about.
I need your name.
You sitting up there searching my bags like it's something in my mother bags for you. If you take them and put them up anyway. Get y'all sick ass on.
Okay. I need your name. What is your name?
Paddy Wagon's closed down. You must be closed the down too. You scary ass, coward ass mother. Harsh language. You child goofy laughing ass on. You sick ass.
Okay,
coward
listen.
ass
One more chance. What's your name? Okay, so all right. They have a last name for her or anything like that?
Davis.
I can't even get no library, but this mother just went in there and got my mother's birthday at the
Aggravated
and they
battery.
ain't had a library card in over 4 years.
I think once you get a library card, they got
I
that
don't get, once you
information
been
for
in
life.
jail, you got it too. You silly ass mother. Once you been in jail, you got my identification too. You sick ass. Don't stop saying my name. Sitting up staring in my faces like they agree with their scary ass. Steady telling y'all to stop talking to them like you goofy ass. Stupid. You scary ass. Steady doing it.
I have no idea what you're talking about, or if you're talking to me.
Yeah, she got a warrant for. Okay. That's real nice.
Area of the group
Ag
up
bat.
over there.
All right,
Peoria warrant.
Like they from somewhere else.
Aggravated battery.
The argument over her name introduces another common misconception. The right to remain silent does not always mean a person can refuse every request for identification. The exact rule varies by jurisdiction and by the stage of the encounter. During a casual conversation, a person may have broader freedom to decline. During a lawful detention or arrest, however, police may be authorized to require basic identifying information for booking and investigation. The officer warns that refusing to provide her name could result in an additional charge. But without knowing the state, the applicable statute, and whether the initial arrest was legally supported, we cannot determine from this footage alone whether that warning was correct. Then officers mention what sounds like an aggravated battery warrant. If that warrant was valid and connected to her identity, it could provide an independent legal basis to keep her in custody, even if the original trespassing allegation were later disputed. This is where the encounter changes dramatically. What began as a library removal dispute may have become a warrant arrest once officers confirmed who she was.
Hey, goofy ass. Sorry
Um,
ass. See ain't go nowhere, don't you? You coward ass. Now I got enough of them. Hopefully this the last. What you laughing at?
I ain't laughing at. All right.
No, all right, my ass. Hopefully they love you sick ass, nasty ass, unlawful ass, unrighteous ass. Goofy. Hell yeah, he hit me. What the sick ass do? He could hear. Thirsty mother.
I've got a brand new, fresh mind in my car. I'm afraid of what you'll do to it. So we're gonna keep this stuff.
You don't want
Yeah, but it's all like bags and purse.
Oh, I got you.
So.
You're out on your own? Yeah.
He likes to pull away on occasion, so
Oh, really?
yeah.
How big is
Be
she?
aware.
She's small. She's like 115 pounds.
Okay.
Barely 5 foot.
All right. Is that better than the car face car?
Thick your me nasty ass. I don't give a how I look at any time of life. Put it up for me. You don't know me. You know me from hell?
Probably.
You goofy messy ass. Where you should still be? Silly ass. Okay, now speak upon me. Nigga, you got that enough when you buy your money. When y'all buy yourself being each other buddy brothers.
I do not understand those.
Silly ass know me from.
I don't know if she's actually saying actual words.
You need to know.
Okay.
Thank you.
There you go.
I'll bring her stuff and whatnot over there. I'll take that. I'll put the booking stuff in there if you want.
That's not acceptable.
We're keeping our black bag and the food, right?
That's right.
I'm gonna have
Did the change make it back
I
in
put
there?
it in here. Yeah.
Well done.
I'm
Well
gonna have
done.
fun with you.
Oh, I'm with you?
No. You're with him, but I'll have fun with you when you're with him.
Oh, that's all right.
No, we're gonna keep
I heard
our
enough
distance.
stories about you from Clark.
Oh.
How do you know Park?
Clark.
Clark. You were with
Like
Clark?
Lewis
1A, yeah.
1A? Lol. You're gonna be stuck at 1A until you, 5 years from now. I'm still stuck in 2A
Oh, yeah?
because he never did my
Did
DOR.
yours? Yeah, he's working on those when I was with him.
That's exactly
Hey,
what he
boy.
told me.
Yeah.
You got any hand
It's not gonna
sanitizer in there?
Yeah, I'd love some
Let's go.
sanitizer.
Okay, bye.